Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Coconut milk is quite oftenly used as an ingredient in my kitchen. Its flavor enhances dishes like stews and curries. So today, on this World Coconut Day, I'm sharing a simple recipe of how to make coconut milk. I have a freshly grated coconut over here and I'm going to add it in this grinder. Make sure it's fresh coconut and you haven't removed it from the freezer. Into this, now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Let's grind this. Let's check on this. Let's remove this paste in a muslin cloth. And now let's squeeze out all the milk. Let's repeat the process all over again once more. Let's add in another cup of water. Once again, let's remove this in the muslin cloth. As you've seen how easy it is to make coconut milk at home. With this recipe, you need not buy store-bought coconut milk. So do give this a try, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.